Hey everybody, this is my iPhone 7 and the other day it completely froze. It had a frozen screen. It was very unresponsive. Nothing was working. It was pretty much just the frozen background and nothing was working on the phone. And I looked up how to fix it and it worked. And I just wanted to tell you how to fix an iPhone 7 with a frozen screen in this video. So if you have an iPhone 7 or a 7 Plus, this method will work for both of those. And the screen is frozen, it's not responsive, nothing's working on the screen, then you want to use this method. And from my experience and my knowledge, it will most likely work to fix that frozen screen. So as you can see right here, we have the volume up and volume down buttons. And then over here on the side, we have the lock button and the sort of the lock and power button on the side that we use. So what you want to do is you want to press and hold down the volume down button and the side button simultaneously, and press and hold them down until you see that Apple logo appear on the screen. Now this can take up to 10 seconds, so press and hold them down until you see that Apple logo appear on the screen. And what that will do is that will sort of give your phone a reset. So like I said, I was using my phone and it just all of a sudden became unresponsive. It was frozen, the screen was frozen in the background mode. I couldn't do anything with it, okay? And literally I tried to figure out what to do. I used the old methods of resetting the old iPhones and it didn't work. But what did work was the method for resetting the iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, which is once again pressing and holding down at the same time simultaneously the volume down button and the side button. So you want to press and hold down the volume down button right here and this side lock button. Just press and hold them down for, like I said, at least 10 seconds, or, and then when you see the Apple logo appear on the screen, then you can release them. And what that will do is that will reset your phone. And once your phone resets, most likely whatever the problem was that was causing it to be unresponsive will be fixed, okay? So whether you opened an app and all of a sudden it became unresponsive, or you were just using it, you were sending a text message and all of a sudden the screen froze, whatever you were doing that caused the phone to just stop working and freeze up will likely be fixed with this method. It's so easy, and like I said, you just do it. Press and hold down those two buttons together until you see that Apple logo. It probably takes like less than 10 seconds or only 10 seconds or so. Once the phone resets, I always recommend just giving it a few moments to actually just get up and running again. And then at that point, you can try and get to the root of the problem to figure out what caused your phone to freeze so that you can, fix whatever the problem was. And that's basically it. In my case, I just went back to doing the same things and the phone didn't freeze again. So in my case, it was just an easy fix and the phone just didn't freeze again after that point. So it wasn't anything significant. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know down below as a comment what you think about this method. Let me know if it worked for you. Let me know as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And I hope that this method helps you fix your iPhone 7 or 7 Plus with a frozen or an unresponsive screen. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.